What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of FS Detail Garage. Got the Porsche GT3 behind me. About to do a maintenance wash on this thing. I had done a paint correction and ceramic coating probably like 4 years ago, and that was a 2-year coating. It needs to be polished again and a new coating put on it. So for the last like year and a half since it's been past its lifespan, we've just been maintaining it with the last coat products and TLC and AM and that kind of thing. So show you what I'm going to do to it today and keep her looking good, so stay tuned.
What's up, everyone? We're in the GT3 today. I'm going to fire this thing up so you guys can hear. So while we still have her wet, we're going to take the last coat's TLC2 here, and we're going to do a wet application on the GT3. So we're just going to literally spray it right onto the actual surface here, and then we will come back with our pressure washer and blast it off and then dry it with a microfiber towel.
And you can see when we hit the beaded areas with it, it just immediately kicks the water right off. And then we're going to take AMP and we're going to do the glass on this vehicle the same way. Actually don't have a lot in here, so just going to mist it right onto the glass here. And then again, when we go to blast all this off, we'll have protection on all our glass as well. So you always want to do this out of the sun, do it in the shade. All right, so now we're just going to start from the top of the vehicle and just pressure wash everything off. You see the hydrophobic action we're now getting on the vehicle. You see how much more beading we have now picked up on the vehicle. There really wasn't too much going on. Polished and ceramic coated this one about 4 years ago, and it had a 2-year coating, so it's definitely time to be recoated. So we've just been keep boosting. All right, I gotta stop this video once here, and I gotta ask, please subscribe. Go to the subscribe button, hit that. We need that for the monetization on the channel so that I can bring you guys more cool content. All right, back to the show. Stirring it, but again, as you can see, using the booster products like the last coat is definitely bringing it back. Now we're just going to dry the surface with a microfiber drying towel. And even doing this wet application of the last coat, it just makes drying the vehicle that much easier. As you can see, go across here, how much water we just picked up real quick. And we'll do the same thing again. And you see the surface is completely dry. So same thing happens with the glass too, with having AMP on there. See how quickly and efficiently we dry this vehicle. So for protection and just the ease of cleaning your vehicle, I recommend wet application of TLC2 or AMP to the vehicle. Alright, so I got the GT3 all complete. The BBS wheels are wrapped in Toyo Proxies, if you all were wondering. These things look pretty nice. And just for a recap, we did a wash with the last soap, foamed it, and then we did a wet application of the last coat's TLC2. tire shined the tires.
Really had no brand for that one. That was just actually a test product that we were using, and I'm still using it up, if you will.
But check out the inside of the GT3. If any of you have never seen one before. Got a gorgeous red cage to go with the black interior and the white exterior. Even is on aftermarket suspension. All four corners are adjustable with canisters, so it has two more canisters up in the front here. So it's got one on each side. Like I said, there's a lot of swirls in it now. At one point it was basically swirl free. But other people have been washing it too while it had been at that place. But you can see the other dual canisters in here. So yeah, pretty sweet ride. Show you guys the motor real quick. So nothing like crazy to look at. It does have exhaust on it, but I'm not sure what else it's been done to this thing. Either way, pretty slick ride, that's for sure. All right, so now we're gonna put it back into its spot and call it a day. Gorgeous cars. I had to give you guys one last start, and obviously this is a 3-pedal car. This is a proper Porsche, that's for sure. See if I can put her in her spot with you guys on the camera here. This thing's got a pretty gnarly clutch in it, so it's a little bit hard to drive. Car out in front of us. Success! So again, Porsche GT3 maintenance wash completed. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little video. So please comment, like, and subscribe, y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.